what we think's happened is it's pulled the cam gear down basically, which is pulling pressure on the camshaft, which then heats up, starts grabbing, and see the #1 cam journal sort of toast. Got 32 Zilla back. The GT-R that had a camshaft issue last time. Belt was way too tight. Customer drove it here today, so it should be pretty good. We just check timing again, all the basic things we do before we start tuning. The customer wanted about 800 horsepower. Chuck another 5-6 pounder boost at it and see how we go, and we go from there. Gate pressure, just 16 pounder boost, so making sure it looks right. It's a bit rich, but rich is better than lean. So we'll just run it up again. I'll just put some duty cycle on it now and go from there. I think it's got a high boost, low boost switch, so low boost, we'll go to high boost. There's got to be a leak somewhere. Oh yeah, right there. Is it split? Yeah. Oh. This could be like 22 pounds, metric pound.
That's better.
Okay.
That's what we're looking for.
Yeah, there we go.
What did it do then?
Just to see the boost, the middle line's a boost. It's just going to go to the fucking moon, so it's got out of it. Here we go. Yeah. So at least we know it made
350 horsepower.
Like 30 pounder boost instantly. So that's what we're going to get to anyway. But
How empty revs?
oh, nothing, like absolutely fuck all. 550, 400.
Yeah, right.
So it's not bad for a 2.6. Like it just must have been off that.
You can hear the difference.
Oh yeah, it just spooled straight away. Well, look at the order. Did you save that? You didn't save it. No.
I told him to. I said save it. I said fucking do your job, young. You useless dog. He wanted to save it.
You can put that on there until you know what's next.
This guy. Fucking, he's like the Timo version of a real human villain. We only got a third of him.
Blow it off.
It sounded like it blew off.
It sounded like it blew off. It sounded like it blew off. Yeah. You have to take both of them and clean them up. Yeah.
It blew off, right?
Yeah. Perfect. Upper. Go again. Cooler pipe. Mine's rip all them off, clean them all. Get some T-bolt clamps. That'll be our best bet. Otherwise it's just the same thing again. Sounded good? Yeah, it's good. 745, cracker. Just clean the fuel up a little bit. It's not exactly how I want it, but it's obviously pretty good, so we didn't get too many runs last time, so do another one, put some more boost in it, make, I don't know, 820 would be nice, and call it a day. Call it a day. How are you?
How'd you go?
745.
Yep.
But we're running out of fuel pump.
Yeah, okay.
So then I just try to put a bit more boost in it then, just to see if we can sneak up over 800, but I hit a fuel pressure cut.
Yeah.
But the other thing too, we got fucking 150 pounds of oil pressure.
Yeah, I noticed that oil pressure got really high really quick.
Yeah, that's you definitely need to pull some of that out because it's going to push out the seals. But yeah, it was like unreal. Things sick. 745. The only problem is even on the 745 run, it's gonna tap out. Like the fuel system was right on, literally right on the limit of cutting off.
Yeah, right.
So we're down to like 38 pounds of fuel pressure injector pressure differential, which means at the rail basically. So that fuel pump, we just tried to see if we could juice the fuel pump up or anything, but we can't really do much with that one.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, so don't really know what we want to do or what you want to do there.
I'll just drive it for a while like that, mate, and then we'll I'll remake that intercooler pipe. We'll look at do something with the fuel pump.
Made the power easy. Like it was on 28 pounder boost and made 745. So the thing's like it's sick. Like so same boost settings we had last time went 660.
Yeah.
745. So the camshaft was pretty tight obviously when we did that run.
That's interesting, eh?
Very.
Yeah, it's a lot.
We got like 80 horsepower straight away. Yeah, fuel pump's obviously definitely the main issue there. Like we're keeping pressure, but then we're trying to demand it. It just sort of starts going away.
Yeah, okay, man. No worries. Look, I'm happy with that.
Yeah. No, I'll just pull some off the dome, mate. So probably like mid 7, like 7. I'll just do another run now with like 35% on the dome, just to make sure it's like it's going to be safe enough for you to drive. So I'll have about 470 on the base, like on the your little switch there.
Yeah.
It'll have 470 on the bottom side, and then it'll have like 700, like 720 on the top side.
Yeah. Okay.
So if we go with that, that'll be cracker.
Sweet.
Awesome, man. They cut, eh? You cut? Did it cut?
Yeah.
Oh, you lifted?
I just like just before
You lifted?
Yeah, like
oh, that's
800.
perfect.
Yeah.
So that'll be fairly safe there.
Yeah, like it's safe enough. Like obviously he's got to drive it way up there to get that sort of, to try and make it bad, I guess. But it's not ideal, but it'll work. We gained like 3 pounds of injector pressure differential, so keeping above the idea with injector pressure differential is to keep your base pressure is what your injector pressure needs to be a minimum of. So if you go below that, we obviously safety is to stop the car from running like working, but it should be. You always want a buffer, so you want your fuel system to be obviously a bit more than what you need. This is probably right on the limit. Like 745 was right on the limit. We tried a little bit into it, and it just wouldn't do it. So 709, it's still got 43 pounds of injector pressure. It's lowish. It's back to the base level, which we said, but it'll work. Pretty good result. We ran out of fuel pump unfortunately, but it's a pretty sick street car. We did turn it down to 709 horsepower, so we sort of want to go with 800 horsepower, but the fuel pump's a little bit restricted on that, so scratch that. We got a fuel system. The boys rang me that we'd finished at 709 horsepower, they weren't happy. They're like, nah, it's got to make 800. So Johnny put a fuel system in it today. We've now gone 2.525 in-tank pumps. Should be a lot better, should be a lot more. I think they sort of tap out around 950-ish horsepower, I think. So yeah, if we run 34 pounds of boost in this thing, it'll be sick. Should be like mid-8s. If we get that, custom will be pumped. We just got it run up, so come along. What we just said before, we're not finished there. We've got more fuel pump, we've got more fuel.
I'm not sure, but something wrong.
What's that?
Jamie!
Jamie.
Jamie's been building cars again. You learnt anything, Jamie?
Silicon sucks.
Yeah, Jamie's got a little fucking bit on over there too, look at that. Look at that. Power steering says, fuck.
Get me out of here.
Get me out of here. Wet.
Yeah, standard, but it just started leaking boost at the top, so the power started falling over. Probably would have been 800. What did it go? 786 or something. Yeah, I think that would have been 800. So the boost just rolled over. What did that, can you have a look at the screen, what it actually went to? Where'd it go? 32 on the lead in?
35.
Yeah.
35.
I don't think it's starting late. I think
You think it just out of turbo? I'll put some up there.
exact same thing.
I'll give me put some.
Brian's car is identical.
I'll put, yeah. He went with the 840.
You just put a bit at the back, it's like, I'll put 35.
Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah.
So once you fix this one, what's the next one that's going to fall off?
Bottom one.
Because that's what happens when you strengthen one piece.
That's right. The weakest link always has to move somewhere.
Exactly.
It just happens.
You're just moving the
You're just
problem.
moving the weakest link around until it finds the new weakest link.
This is why we get plasma mag clamps, right?
Pretty well, eh? 6'8".
Or a blow off valve.
It should be going more.
Fun fact, this is why you put a blow off valve on, because it only did it. Maybe not. Did you lift and then it popped, or did you?
I
thought you lifted too.
thought it might have lifted after.
So we had the same issue. Pipe game when it was two-wheel drive used to be silicons all the time as well. And then when we went mechanical pump, we never had a single silicon issue with this car, and then we went mechanical pump, turned the boost up a little bit more. And then we started having issues only on lift off, because the boost has to go somewhere, because it has like a spike increase,
Yeah.
which is why you put a blow valve on, and it helps that because it releases the pressure rather than lets it bounce around, and then rather than going pressure spiking, it just goes out.
See ya.
Yeah, she does.
Did we get that T1 that's over here?
Yeah, probably. I'm gonna try and fucking get back in first.
I'll leave you to that, huh?
No!
Happy with everything else?
Yeah. I think I'm just going to add some duty cycle up the back, so from like 6,500 RPM onwards, just to try and keep that boost going. Yeah, 35 1050s, we always say take the GST off, and probably 20%, so 1050, take 200 horsepower, 850, around 780, probably about right, so we'll sneak a little bit more boost up top, try and keep that 35 pound going. I think that'll be right. So keep that at, I don't know, 60% or 55% up there, as a progressive sort of state. We keep that going, keep the boost, hopefully it should go 800.
So keep the pipes on and go 800.
Yeah,
that's the goal.
Well, yeah, now putting more boost in, so it's, I think it went in at 35 pound. Got it. Okay.
Success.
Cool. Good. Feels nice, boost nice. 820 I said, so 816 is not bad. I think the turbo's definitely out, so we're trying to spin the turbo too fast now, but that's his big boost setting anyway, so he's got 500 horsepower for the second engine, so we'll have a look at some logs and go from there, I reckon. So yeah, 6. Customer wanted 800s, we got 816, badass. We'll go for a street drive. Now we'll go for a street drive instead of that last time, but we'll get some street tuning. Looks pretty good, but big injectors, small engine. He doesn't want to put nitrous on it. We might leave the nitrous until he fixes a couple of things, just a few things we'll let him know about to go and touch up and make better, but good result, 816, happy days.